Hi there, meteorologist Ed Valley here, taking a look at the Northeast, and we have not too much happening here right now. We're seeing our clouds move away. Apologies, the radar has given me a little trouble here today, but we're seeing decreasing clouds in New England, a beautiful day out in the mid Atlantic. However, this week is really going to be categorized as a warm week. We do have a couple systems we got to talk about, but it's a warmer week, and it's really not until Saturday where we have a widespread risk for precipitation. And then we are watching that system and then another system early next week for something as well. So let's go through this, and we see today no issues at all. However, tonight a weak cold front is going to be arriving in northern areas from the north. That could lead to just a little bit of flurry or freezing drizzle activity in northern Vermont, New Hampshire, Maine, and New York. Again, not a big deal. Tuesday ends up dry. Tuesday night ends up dry. And then most of Wednesday is dry, but late in the day, we're going to see a warm front arrive from the west. And there is some cold air available here during the evening on Wednesday inland. So if you're up in Vermont, New Hampshire, northern New York, there could be a period of wintry precipitation Wednesday night as this system rolls through. But you'll notice here, it's a quick mover, and it's largely any sort of mixing will change over to rain as that warmer air moves in. Thursday is a very warm day, and then Thursday night a cold front's going to move through with some showers, giving way to a drier Friday here. Now, the important part of this video is Saturday through Tuesday of next week. Okay, so the European model here Friday night has some rain down in the mid-Atlantic, and then it develops into a bigger wave here for Saturday, bringing snow north, rain south, with temperatures obviously dictated pretty significantly by that storm track. It's 50 in Philadelphia, but it's 35 in Boston, and then colder north where it's snowing, okay? Very early in this process, but I will say that if you look at all of our information here, the Canadian and the European are very similar here for Saturday. Very similar. Snow in northern Vermont, northern New York, Vermont, New Hampshire, Maine. A mix along the I-90 corridor, and then rain to the south. You see that? That's one option. Now, the GFS model has a couple showers, and then maybe a period of light rain or snow on Saturday. Not a big deal. My hunch is this is wrong. We're leaning on the Euro and the Canadian for now, but it's still 5 days away. So no decision making needs to be happening now. Lots of uncertainty remains, and we'll continue to refine this forecast as we move forward. Now, beyond that system, okay, Monday looks dry. Later Sunday looks dry as well. The European has a quick mover Monday night into Tuesday. This run is not significant. The Canadian model, as you'll see here, also has this disjointed system. Right now, not too significant Monday, Tuesday. Now, the GFS, notice, so everything in weather is connected. Early run, this GFS run has nothing for Saturday, really. The other models do. Then the other models don't really have anything for Tuesday. But since the GFS is different Saturday, that opens the door to a bigger storm on Monday, Tuesday. Again, I am not convinced this is correct currently, but I wanted to show you it. And you'll notice when you look at the upper level heights, and this is just a look at spin in the atmosphere, but it's important for diagnosing the pattern. You notice this system Saturday is kind of non-existent really on the GFS, but notice here as we head into the Monday, Tuesday timeframe, you got this northern system and the southern system coming together in harmony here for Tuesday that creates that big system. Look at the Canadian, how much different it is. Notice how the two pieces are still there, right? Very similar here on Sunday, the two systems. But notice the Canadian is much faster with the top system versus the bottom system. So the northern stream disturbance runs out ahead of it. You get a couple rain or snow showers Monday, Tuesday, and then this bigger system is held back, and you don't get that bigger system. That is why you're seeing this show up on the models here Monday, Tuesday, and it's a progressive weak system because the models don't bring those two systems together. Whereas, again, the GFS, they come together in harmony, you end up with a massive storm. So, again, we lean away from this idea, the GFS's idea for now, One of these systems most likely is going to happen. It's going to be hard to just get nothing out of either of them. But it seems like the modeling is keying in on the Saturday system for snow north, rain south, and then more of a progressive early week system. But again, a lot of this hinges on how Saturday performs. So I think we're going to know a lot more about Tuesday once Saturday becomes more focused, hopefully tomorrow and at the latest on Wednesday. Okay, so we will continue to watch this longer range real quick. The last week of December right now does look wet. Wet meaning active, not meaning rain necessarily. You notice closer to normal temperatures too. So I favor the interior for snow during Christmas week, but the pattern this week, very, very warm. That's not lingering through the end of this month anymore. I think we're going to see this turn a little colder as we head towards the Christmas time frame and beyond, which should open the door not only for snowmaking, but for some natural snow risk as well. And that's something we're going to be focused on in our videos for the rest of this week. So that's what we got for you today. Have a great Monday, and we'll talk to you again tomorrow.